I want to give you my review on these compression ankle socks. If you've ever worn compression socks, they're sometimes very difficult to get on above your ankle and or up your calf leg. And I really need them for just my ankle, and I really just need them for one leg. And I'm walking and doing a lot of walking. It really helps keep my feet feeling refreshed or comfortable. They're not a lot of aches and pains. They're super easy to get on. All you really need to do is they just slip right on. And now they cover my ankle without making my toes extremely warm. And I don't really necessarily need them above my calf. But these feel very comfortable to wear during the course of the day, especially if you're on your feet a lot. I personally think that they are a great investment to take care of your feet. Even when you're young, you may never think that you're going to have foot issues. Trust me, when you get older, you're going to want to wear something like this. These are great if you're on your feet all day long. And that is just my honest opinion.